Well, we've arrived at Honda Zambia. Let's see what they can do. So the guys are going to do me an oil change and a filter change. They are going to get to the wheel, not quite sure when, but I thought while I'm here I will change. These are my old foam pre-filters. They don't look that bad actually, but I brought new ones, so I'm going to stick them on. Well, we did identify that there was a slight kink in the disc. So what they're going to try and do now, or what they've suggested, is we take the disc off and we're going to take it to a small workshop and see if they can take 1/4 mil off each side. We may have identified the problem, and it is not the disc. I think it could be the sliders. This one and this one were a bit stiff, not releasing. So we looked at the discs, or the pads, and it's not so easy to see here, but the pads are wearing uneven. The inside one is worn twice as fast as the outside one, and when we look at it, what we see here is that it is also slightly tapered, which means it's going in at askew. So, new pads, remove the grease, put a very light oil in, and then we're going to go for a test ride. This is Andrew, who has helped me a lot today.
We've had a tough day.
He's been so helpful. He's even sharing his lunch with me. Yeah. So we have
our staple food, Shima.
Chima?
Shima, yeah.
Mili?
Yeah, milli-meal.
Milli-meal.
Milli-meal and goat meat. Beans, veggies, cabbage, and more veg. Yeah, so we're about to dig in.
Well, we're back in. It's warm, but it's being used. There's not much more we can do. So we'll just have to ride it and see. Engage. Yeah. That's beautiful.
Saves your trip as well.
Thank you very much.
Yeah. Don't think we use it that much. Okay, all the best.
Well done. Cheers, guys.
Good. See you.
Bye-bye. So many people. So this is a town called Kafue. Oh, I'd have to say it's interesting. It's quite a nice little town. I don't know quite what's here, except for that it's on the main road to Zimbabwe. How do they get over the road? Here we go. It's shut. It is truck after truck. So I'm going to get a haircut. This man here is going to do it. Fingers crossed. This man's gonna cut my hair. Hmm? So we're cut. Pretty short, but it's okay. 50 kwacha. £1.50. That's not bad. It's the most brutal brush though to clean down. It's like a wire brush. But it's okay. So this is the side road down to where I'm staying, the House of Excellence, and it is the best one I've stayed in, I think, for 2 weeks, going by the cleanliness of the room and the friendliness of the staff. Really nice.